So I just came back from town and I have been very sad but also grateful. I have seen a lot of medical stuff going around on the net. Mostly when I see that, I get very emotional. Having been someone who has been through treatment. But here is a quick one. All those who are going into treatment of one kind or another, that diagnosis is very hard in the first place. When you are told that you are going into treatment for any disease or any of your organs not functioning properly and you are to go into treatment, that is a very hard news to take in. Then the hardest of them is when the treatment they are giving you here in Ghana is not working. So they will have to transport you outside. That is fly you. That word fly itself is very, very, very hard news to take in. Emotionally, financially, mentally. You have to take all these things into consideration. And if you are not a strong person, even for the strongest, you break down. Because if you have the means to, you will take stride and then brace yourself. But for us who do not have anything, sometimes they call the cost of even flying you. And then when you get there, there are protocols to also follow in that hospital because you have been referred to them. So they have to also take steps and then book you, analyze your thing. You have to go through a whole process from scratch. Now they will use the things that you brought, as in your lab test and all that. And then they will have to do their own and compare. That is a lot of time. And even when you are raising funds, assuming you don't have the means, and you are raising funds so that you go, every minute that is like you are raising, every minute counts. Every minute. Because for that time, nothing will be done, like no first aid. Let's take cancer for instance. The cancer will be spreading. It is progressing every 24 hours, every minute, every second counts. So my prayer is that there are angels on this next, like social media has become a global village now. There are angels. I pray you find angels that will help you with finances so that everybody, especially those who are doing the right things, so it's very hard. But keep your chin up, be strong. Everything will fall in place. And one day, that testimony, you will share it for others who are going through the same thing, to also have hope. And I pray one day I'll become an angel